हल्का हल्का है तेरा नशा।
मुझे हल्का हल्का नहीं है, मुझे बहुत ज्यादा नशा है। गलत बात। पहली बात तो ये कि I wasn't expecting such an amazing response, and so it's surpassed everything that I could have imagined. जितना अच्छा और बढ़िया response मिला है, I'm very grateful. Out of all the compliments that we've gotten and I've gotten, I think यही कि ये सब real लगता है. So that's I think the best compliment that we all fit in our characters. I think that's the best compliment. हम लोग बड़े हुए थे फिल्मों पे और मैं बड़ी हुई थी इनकी फिल्मों पे. तो मुझे एक्चुअली ये लगा था because all I had seen was films, you know, Bollywood films. तो जब मैं मुंबई एयरपोर्ट पे आई, मैंने आपको बताई थी बात कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि कुछ तो होगा, you know, कम से कम ये होगा कि हवा चलेगी, लेकिन और ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये होगा कि शाहरुख खान भागते हुए मेरे पास आएंगे.
और हुआ क्या नहीं हुआ ना, वो कस्टम ऑफिसर ने दुपट्टा पकड़ लिया.
Yes, I mean he'll tell you that I was nervous as hell, you know. I mean, it was just. Sometimes I used to wish that I wasn't such a big fan that every time she would come, I'd be like scared. And then, you know, he had all this surma and used to look all tough, and I used to be like, God, it was a bit scary. I used to get nervous, but then it became okay. He's spoiled me, you know, and I shouldn't be saying this because then all my future actors will have this in their head, but it's the truth, and you know, it's just like how do you really work with someone else after you worked with him? But you have, of course. But it's like it's a dream come true. Honestly, nothing short of that. Nothing short of that. I might be the only one who he did not spread his arms for.
तो तेरा साइज छोटा है ना. इतने में आ गई तू. खाया तो है तेरे को उसके अंदर, गोद के अंदर ऐसा घुमाता हूँ ऐसा फोन आता है जब, उतने में आ गया.
अब मुझे सब जो है दो, या तो वो मुझे देख के कहते हैं बैटरी साला, या फिर वो मुझे आज मैं when I was coming here, तो एक लड़का था and he kept calling me Zalma. I was like, what is going on? So ये दो नाम है.
3 अलग अलग पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज और एजेंडाज में, मतलब जो भी मीटिंग्स हो रही हैं, सब हो रहा है, सब में वही डायलॉग है, इसका दिमाग और उसकी डेयरिंग है ना. बड़ा यूनिवर्सली पॉलिटिकली करेक्ट फिल्म बनाई है मैंने.
My family was screaming at his intro and not mine. They were just, I was like, come on, make it louder. So the claps were much louder for him. But we have to accept that.
माहिरा मेरी इंट्रोडक्शन में मैं शर्ट उतार के अपने आप को मार रहा था. तेरी इंट्रोडक्शन में तू चुन्नी के साथ क्या वो काटे नहीं कटते गा रही है, तो मम्मी को तो मैं ही पसंद आऊंगा ना.
मुझे इनका डायलॉग एक अच्छा लगता है, मैं धर्म का धंधा नहीं करता, सबूत ले आइए, ले जाइए, केस हाजिर है. I love it. Believe me, I mean, everyone's waiting. As they've waited all over the world, I think it's also going to do amazing. They are, you don't understand how much we wanted this back here. And I think primarily because of, finally, I think, you know, race was a big one and everyone was dying. Like, I would get a call every day, and I think everyone's waiting. You can't even imagine. If you were here, you'd see how many calls I get. That is it coming? So I think just like it's done well all over the world, hopefully, and I mean, I have full faith in people here. They will go in throngs to watch race.